Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a quilling bookmark with the flower called Forget Me Not. I think some of you have heard about it and some are not. I will tell you that story in the middle of my video. So first of all, let's see how to make this cute little flower. To get started, grab some A4 sheets in two vibrant colors, blue and yellow. These will be the foundation for our colorful project. And next, carefully cut the collected A4 sheets using a paper shredder. To make the already cut papers even thinner, carefully cut them with a pair of scissors like this. Now grab the yellow strips and start rolling them using a quilling tool like this. Then use glue to secure the end of the strips in place. This will form the center of our beautiful flower. These are the centers created using the quilling strips. Next, take the blue strips and attach two of them together with the glue to create the petal of the flower. Once the strips are joined, roll using the quilling tool. And finally, secure the end with glue like this. Shape the quilled circle into a petal design using your fingers. This will give each petal to unique and natural look. These beautifully crafted flower petals are now ready for assembly. And additionally, we need a popsicle stick to complete our bookmark. Apply glue to the top of the popsicle stick. Then carefully attach the petal one by one following the method I am doing. So my dear friends, As we continue crafting, let me share with you the story of the forget-me-not flower. Forget-me-not flower represents true love and giving someone. This flower means you truly love and respect this person. It's a promise that you will give to the other person, that you will never forget them in your thoughts. It's a symbol of being truthful to someone you love. Now that we have completed crafting this beautiful flower, so my dear friends, thank you for joining me this crafting journey, and stay tuned for more exciting projects. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. Until next time, happy crafting!